Welcome to our mobile app project. We're Team 8, and I'm LJ, and I'll be guiding you through our user stories. And my partner is Jian. Our app is a designated driver service whose goal is to help reduce the amount of drunk driving accidents on the road. Users will be able to get home with their vehicle in one trip rather than having to call taxi services multiple times, such as Uber, where you'd have to call Uber once to go home, once to go back to once to go back to your car. This would result in a cheaper fare for the user and it reduces the cost on gas and it's just better overall. All right, moving right on in to our user stories. I'll be using an emulator. So we're going to try logging in with incorrect email. You need to log in with a better email. Maybe I forgot my password. Oh, that's the wrong password. Okay, now we'll be able to log in. All right, so we want to allow Drink and Dial to access device location. Yep, allow. Send it dummy data. Since this is an emulator, we're gonna have to do this thing here. And it'll open up to our current location. Great. And this is what you would see on a actual device. All right, so let's go ahead and set a home location here. Let's say our home location is Commerce Street, Tacoma. And as you can see, it was correctly set from Harvard before. And we want to see all drivers within 1 mile around us. All right, great. So again, we gotta send this dummy data. And let's say we want to go home. Okay. And home is about 7 minutes from our false current location. So we estimate the time and we're able to actually see the path there. And we can go to our current location. All right, find red. We want to choose the driver with the best rating and closest to us. So let's choose Gertrude. And yeah, and here's our confirmation page. And we could also send the same confirmation page to that email that we signed up in. All right, cool. Now we'll be able to actually view our most recent trip, which was from that current location to Commerce Street, Tacoma, Washington, United States. Great. So we'll be able to log out here, and we're going to be continuing with a Facebook login now. So we actually have an account here that's already authorized this application. So let's go into it here. All right. I'm going to click OK. Give it a second. It takes us here. And on an Android device, it would automatically open the screen here with your current location already displayed. Okay. Now let's try registering a new account. We'll do my name here, some email, okay. Okay, so we successfully log in there, feed in the dummy data again, and we'll actually be able to set a pin down and estimate from your current location to that pin. We could also change our pickup location. Let's say we have an autocomplete view, so let's say we do right there, and it would actually take us from there all the way down to that pin. All right, cool. So that's that for our user stories. Our most challenging technological hurdles was merging conflicts on GitHub, finding problems in the Android Studio files, especially the async task classes and the PHP files, and those were very difficult to find. We also had to spend a lot of time debugging layout files to display correct information. And what we would have done differently if we had more time was we would have implemented a better look and feel for the project, a driver side implementation for signing up, signing in, and sending correct information, correct location, and showing the driver on the user, showing the driver's markers on the user's map, and showing a path from the driver to the user. And that's our app. Thank you so much.